Hey friends, it's the Baron without the window weather on this 15th day of August 2015. And some of you have been asking what I do in the course of my day. So I thought I'd share a story about real life chicken raising, farming, however you'd like to put it. So this morning, feeding the chickens, and I noticed that our chicken Rock was just walking funny and didn't look like she was feeling that well. So after I finished feeding all the chickens, I came back and checked on her and noticed that she was egg bound. Egg bound can be very, well, it's normally fatal for chickens. So luckily, I caught her fairly early, so I'm going to give her a fighting chance. In the 6 years we've been raising chickens here, she's our third one that has been egg bound. Our first one we caught early and was able to help her release the egg. Our second chicken we didn't catch in time, and she didn't make it. So what I did today is made a nice warm bath, soaked her in the bath for about an hour, and then spent a lot of time to hair dry so she was nice and dry so she didn't have to shiver or anything. And then in the course of the afternoon, she got her second bath. That one was pretty good because she did poop out a lot of stuff, so that was a good positive sign. Hair dried her. Probably a total today of about 4 hours spending with the chicken to help give her her best fighting chance. Hopefully she passes the egg in the morning. If she doesn't, then her chances will be dwindling because egg bound can be really rough on chickens, and there's not a whole lot you can do. It's just the egg gets caught or stuck inside them. Just one of the downfalls, or might consider a perk, of being able to be a farmer and hand raise your animals. We have 70 chickens, actually 79 chickens, 15 ducks, a pig, 9 cats, a couple dogs, 4 chakars, 4 parakeets. The neighbor farmer puts his cattle up on the property, so we've got about 25 cows. And the house was built in 1897, so we have lots of farming projects. I'm still working on my permaculture, so it is a busy, busy day every single day. And there's always something new to do. But being that I'm in charge of my own time, I have the ability to invest time into my sick chickens or sick animals if need be, which is awesome because that gives them the best fighting chance. So, while it's not the most glamorous job in the world, and definitely not the best paying, I would say my wealth and what I get to do every day is just awesome. I get to play with chickens, raise chickens, play with other animals, grow crops, play in the dirt, grow food. It's just really pretty awesome. So I'm perfectly happy with how cool life is. So, anyways, today is the 15th day of August, 2015. It's about 7:30 in the evening. You can see the awesome, giant, big, fluffy clouds. The sun burning up in the background, lighting up the clouds. And it's about 65. No breeze at the moment. And, yeah. Just thought I'd give you guys a story. It's the Baron without the window weather on this 15th day of August, 2015. Have yourself a good day. Adios.